Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about why you should learn Excel. I'm Ismael, and I've been learning about Excel for a while now, and I'm really excited to share what I've learned with you. In this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of learning Excel and how it can help you in your personal and professional life. I'll also share some tips on how to get started learning Excel and where you can find resources to help you learn. Benefits of learning Excel. There are many benefits to learning Excel. Here are a few of the most important ones. Increased productivity. Excel can help you automate tasks, which can save you a lot of time. For example, you can use Excel to create a budget, track your expenses, or manage your inventory. Improved data analysis. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis. You can use it to summarize data, create charts and graphs, and perform complex calculations. This can help you make better decisions based on the data. Enhanced communication. Excel can help you communicate data more effectively. You can use it to create reports, presentations, and even dashboards. This can help you share your findings with others in a clear and concise way. Better job prospects. Excel is a valuable skill in the workplace. Many employers are looking for employees who know how to use Excel. How to get started learning Excel. If you're interested in learning Excel, there are a few things you can do to get started. Take a course. There are many online and in-person courses that can teach you the basics of. This is a great way to learn the fundamentals of the program. Read a book. There are many books available that can teach you how to use Excel. This is a great way to learn at your own pace. Watch tutorials. There are many YouTube tutorials that can teach you how to use Excel. This is a great way to learn by watching someone else do it. Where to find resources. There are many resources available to help you learn Excel. Here are a few of the best ones. Microsoft Excel website. The Microsoft Excel website has a wealth of resources, including tutorials, articles, and help files. Excel Forum. Excel Forum is a great community for Excel users. You can ask questions, get help, and share tips with other Excel users. ExcelJet. ExcelJet is a website with a large library of Excel tutorials and articles. Conclusion. I hope this video has convinced you to learn Excel. It's a powerful tool that can help you in many ways. If you're not sure where to start, I recommend taking a course, reading a book, or watching some tutorials. And most importantly, practice as much as you can. The more you use Excel, the better you'll become. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Excel, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends.